Good morning. Today is a very, very, very special day. So, if you guys didn't know, which you shouldn't know, I sold my E90 M3. Damn, I already see in my car. About a month ago, I've been, putting together some stuff with the new car, but today we are revealing the new car. I was gonna get too far. Forgot my steering wheel inside. But now, time to go see the car. Yeah, since I sold my M3 about 3 to 4 weeks ago, I have been dealing the E30. Not gonna lie, love driving this car, but it's giving me a little bit of a headache. So I have one of these stupid ass wheel adapters. The brand is Blocks. They're Blocks wheel adapters from 4x100 to 5x120. And these shits don't stay tight. They always coming loose. They're wobbling. The freaking lugs coming off. The spacer itself coming loose. These shits are a full nightmare. So I actually got a full set of E36 Ti 5-lug conversion. But I haven't been able to get them put on yet because I've been focusing on all of these parts for my new car. These are like half of my new parts. Some headlights in the bag, some grills in that, some mirrors. So yeah, via my new car. Ooh, E30, ooh. But yeah, so the new car had really taken up all of my attention, all of my money. And you feel me, like I have just been trying to like set everything straight for this car so that it can get on the road sooner than later. So, we almost there. See, my uncle, Jonesy Towing, is always gets me right. If you're in the New York City, Jersey, Connecticut area, call this number, he will get you right, alright? Jonesy Towing. Talk truck loud as hell, but time to see the new car. Not this. Definitely not that. Man.
See if you get any power up front.
Let's see. Oh yeah, we're gonna need a new windshield too. Start it, right?
Huh?
Start it?
Yeah.
Ooh. Little rough idle. We out. Well, we still inside, but F80 lag. Yep. These cars sound so nice at idle. Sound kind of choppy. Need some muffle hangers, but hee. Good old-fashioned robo farts. Got the natural sunroof, feel me? Got the boss Jonesy doing what he do. To a man. It's crazy if you know me how I've kind of shit talked F8X, M2, 3, 4. Yeah, it was really only 2, 3, and 4. But when the better car arises for a great deal,
That means I gotta charge this.
this looks wicked. Cold. This is the beauty side. See the beauty side? Alright. This F80 is probably the smoothest manual one that I've driven. This last one was fire, but I should bun up. Now time to fit all the parts in the car. While we out here trying to fit all of the parts for the new car into the new car. Just look at the dirty just shining over there. God damn. I haven't washed this car in about a month and a half. I haven't washed this car since March 16th. It's like the end of April. That shit just don't fucking miss. God damn. Side skirt. Almost had carbon side skirts. Them shits is no longer connected. Bro, this dude has no space for it. And these are 20s. Yo, sitting in my 1991 3 Series. About to go fix my 2017, 2017? I don't know what I'm just, I think it's a 17. I don't know. Got my 2017 individual. So we almost at the body shop. About to go through my favorite tunnel. Like always. Favorite tunnel. So we almost here. I'm not gonna lie. I would be mad scared going through these tunnels if I was this big ass truck. Oh, sorry, there we go. One. We in first. Love this damn tunnel. There that bitch go. God damn. Jonesy towing for the win. So this is the E30 now. Kind of what it used to look like. I mean, I ain't had this much rust, but it's actually my cousin's car. I got a 4 spray. It's crazy how I went from this, well, mine is 2 doors, but to that. So we in the body shop, best body shop in the world. Got my new bonnet right there for the car. Pop's car. Front looked the same, but last video, if you remember, quarter was not like this. Chop off our quarter. You see, doing it the right way. Well, this is all just dirty as hell, but cut it out. It was all looking like this before. Car gonna come out fire. It's an F80 party. F8X party, F31. So this was a car that my uncle, my tow truck driver, was gonna turn into an F80 wagon. But after somebody hit it while it was parked in front of his house, he got kind of fed up and sold me the car. So I'm not really that mad, but F31 wagon would be some fucking heat. But you know what? The F80 went to a good home, so I ain't mad at it. I know he ain't mad at the money either, so. My dad asked him to polish the trucks, and he scratched the bumper, but they had already replaced the bumper. Busting out everything. Car has been dropped off. Home, sweet home, where you shall stay. So the car has been dropped off at the shop. I'm not gonna lie, this video probably is not gonna get posted for like another month and change because Body Shop Raymond, he's super backed up right now. I probably have like 3 friends waiting at the car's painted. I have my dad, my uncle, I have mad people's cars getting worked on, so the car might not be out till like June, July. It's currently like April 30th or something like that. So let's see when I actually post this video. But we making progress. Slow progress is better than no progress. So guys, thank you so much. You guys know the deal. Please like, comment, subscribe, share it. You guys know the deal. Later, y'all.